Let's talk about automated online income. We're going to break down how these systems really work.
The big promise here? An AI assistant that works around the clock. The ultimate shortcut.
The whole point is to get rid of that tech struggle that stops so many people cold.
So what's the number one problem that any online business actually has to solve?
It all boils down to one thing: traffic. Real, trusted visitors to your offers.
So how do they tackle this? Well, one popular solution is called a multi-commission system.
And they're not kidding about multi. We're talking about a lot of income streams, like 18 of them.
Getting started looks super simple, right? Join for free, get activated, and start earning.
Okay, let's get into how you actually make money. It really comes down to two main ways.
First up, recurring commissions. You make a sale once and you can get paid over and over. The next model is all about performance. Basically, the more involved you are, the more you can earn. And look at this jump. Your commission rate can go from just 5% all the way up to 40%.
And that's not all. You can also get bonuses, upgrade commissions, and more.
Okay, so that's how it works on paper. But what are real people actually saying about it?
Some users love the automation. One guy said he makes sales even while he's sleeping.
For others, it's a total game changer, completely transforming their entire business approach.
And remember that AI promise? Users are talking about specific tools, like an agent named Sophia.
So the big idea is this: a fully managed, all-in-one platform. Everything you need.
Which brings us to the final question. Can a system like this really be the ultimate shortcut?